Okay, today we're learning about precipitation reactions. You're going to need your solubility table out, table 3-4. Your reactants or the compounds on the left-hand side are always AQ. You never have to look those up, but we do have to look up the products. So if I take a look at my solubility table, I look at Cl chloride, and I see if it's Pb2+, it's not soluble, so that means this is our solid, and we put an S in there. Then I look at NO3 nitrate, any positive ion, it's soluble, so this one gets an AQ. Now you want to make sure your equation is balanced, and then you can now do your ionic equation. And this is a review from grade 11, so hopefully it makes sense. So anything that's AQ gets broken apart into its ions. So Pb2+, add 2 NO3 minus, add 2 KCl plus, or K plus, add 2 Cl minus. We don't break apart the solid, so it stays the same. And this becomes 2K plus and 2, or sorry, not 2, just 1 NO3 minus. Now, if you don't put your charges in here, you will lose marks. You don't have to put aqueous in the ionic equation, but you do in the net ionic. So our net ionic goes like this. So anything that we have on both sides of the arrow gets canceled out. So I have an NO3 here, I have an NO3 here, they get canceled out. I have a K plus here, a K plus there, they get canceled out. And those are called our spectator ions. So our net ionic equation is what's left over. So we have Pb 2 plus AQ, you'll lose a mark if you don't put the AQ in, add 2 Cl minus AQ, and it produces PbCl2 solid. So your net ionic is always your solid. Your spectator ions are the ones we canceled out. So in this case, we have NO3 minus and K plus. It doesn't matter if you put the 2's in front or not, it's all the same. And I forgot the 2 in front of this one, so we'll just snick that in there now. So hopefully that's review and it makes sense. If you take a look at the notes I photocopied for you, the next question is the same idea. I'm not going to go over it, but if you have any questions about the second sample problem, let me know.